Oh my god, y'all, new cute items in Family Dollar of the Bolero. You guys can see. Ooh, body cream soothing lotion. We have the oil. I'm gonna get that. I didn't mean to grab that. Definitely want this. The facial wipes. Soothing peonies and pear. They also have the coconut and verbena conditioner, shampoo, peonies and pear. Let's see, this one is watermelon mint conditioner and watermelon mint shampoo. We have the bath soak or the body oil, the coconut oil facial wipes, but then they also have the bars of soap, which is really good because they're, you know, made with natural stuff. They have a bunch of the bath fizzies, different scents. New bath bombs, coconut and verbena and peonies and pears. I'm definitely gonna get a shampoo. I'm gonna try one of each. And conditioner. Definitely want to try this. This is the French Lavender and Citrus Body Polish. Here's something new as well. Skin Nutrition's Double Strength Retinol Night Repair Serum for flawless, younger, perfect skin. I'm going to test this out. Gonna get one of those, but yeah, so it seems like every time I come into this one, they have some new Bolero stuff. That, oh, they even have the pineapple and coconut lime conditioner. Ooh. They also have the bath soap. Hand wash. We got one body wash left. Two. These are good. We use these. So yeah, that's it. I had to show y'all the new. These are the old ones. I don't know if y'all can see back there. The Bolero Cranberry and Sweet Orange. I have all of those. These. Here's one of the. This is the Coconut Oil and Sea Salt Facial Scrub. Okay, the facial scrub, and then they also have the coconut oil and sea salt body cream. This is the coconut oil and sea salt body cream. So they also have Suave, y'all, conditioner and shampoo. They got Juicy Green Apple and the Tropical Coconut. That's the first time I've seen Suave at Dollar Tree, so that's pretty cool. Okay, so yeah, I think that's it. If I see anything else cool, I will come back and show y'all.